brakes. You're all right.
Don't let her lay down.
Oh, God, right.
You're okay.
Are you too hot?
You're all right. You're doing good. You're halfway there, Mama.
Look, the open gate, girls.
Come on.
Is it okay to do a little film? You know.
Come on, honey. Come on, Griddle. Push. Come on. Let's keep going. Come on.
I'll tell you one thing, if I ever sell my house, I don't give a shit what the buyers say. She's coming with the house.
Come on.
Come on, Griddle! Come on, Griddle!
Hey. All right. Hey. You're okay. Stop.
Almost there.
Ain't nobody hurting you.
I wonder if my phone looks like a gun.
Come on, ain't nobody hurting you. You're all right. Look. Come on.
You'll be happier.
Come on, you'll be much happier. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on.
Brenda, now come over here and block
Good girl. Yeah, walk that driveway.
Uh-oh.
Now go right here and block it so she has to
Good
come
girl.
this way.
Come on, Mama.
You're okay.
Come on.
Come on,
You're
Griddle.
doing good. You're doing good.
Don't let her lay.
Yeah, don't let her lay. Don't give her
You're doing
too many
good.
belly rubs.
You're doing good.
Her belly makes her
Come on.
Yeah, immediately.
Ready, go.
Brush up.
Well, I can't open the cattle gate, that's right, because Babe will come out.
Almost there, baby.
Do you want me
No,
to hold
once
that?
we get her in here,
Okay. Almost.
Come on, you're in the grass.
good girl. Come on, Mom.
There you are.
She's foaming.
Yeah, I see this.
Oh my God.
Yep.
Close the gate.
Take it off of her. Take it off of her.
Let her relax in
Yep.
There we go.
Wow. Wow. You're amazing.
You're in, Mama.
How does your workout?
You're going to have to give her another one of those pills.
Yeah, Griddle might have to take this yard.
You're okay. She'll get over there.